Well guys, today we're going to see if we can get this steering wheel on this UForce, and I'm here to tell you, if it works on this UForce, it's going to work on your Z950s. With the little mod that we have to do, the other machines such as like my 800, the 500 Trail, all of them, this thing will just bolt on right by itself. You won't need the adapter that we're gonna need for today's video. We don't know if it's gonna work. We're gonna find out if it's gonna work together on YouTube. So make sure you check out my website, www.rngperformance.net, because I will soon be carrying these steering wheels. So stay in touch, because these will fit your machines. And if it goes well today, you'll be able to put an aftermarket one on your UForce 1000 XL, UForce 1000, UForce 600, whatever it is, you can get a steering wheel for. So without further ado, so I pre-pop this, but it pops off. It's just, you gotta fight with it a little bit, but it does just pop right off. So now we're gonna take our Ugga Dugga gun, 18 millimeter, right?
They can't really use
18 millimeter. Pull that off, set it aside. Oh, you may have to smack that with a hammer. If we do, we'll show you how to do that. All right, put it on there so it's flush. Just pull up on the steering wheel like so. Go, and it should, oh,
there we go.
Got it. Now we're going to take our adapter. I will have this adapter on my website for sale here soon, and we're going to want to put it so one of these bolt holes is straight, because we did straighten that steering wheel. So we want to put one of these bolt holes straight. So there we go, we got it on. We'll put our nut back down in there. There we go, she's tight. We're gonna start putting our bolts in.
I love it.
Huh?
This is so cool. I love it.
Does it?
It actually feels like I'm in a car.
Does it, like, you don't have to reach down now?
No, it's not so flat like the other one was.
I don't know about you, but when I was driving this, it felt like I was way down here to steer it.
Yes, it was like you're leaning forward like this just to steer.
Yeah.
But this is comfortable like this. I love it.
It looks good too, don't it?
Oh yes, I love it.
Oh yeah.
Look how nice that is.
That looks good. Does it feel good?
Oh yes.
Can you adjust it? Try and adjust it?
You can move it down low or higher. That's as high as it goes.
What do you think's better?
Actually, this is pretty cool right
Probably
here.
right there.
Yeah.
And it don't feel like you're bent over to freaking try to drive it.
No, not at all. Because before it was so flat to like the...
Yeah.
It was hard to describe, but yeah.
And it raised it up quite a bit.
Yes. Oh, this is gorgeous too.
Heck yes.
So smooth.
And they can, pretty soon I'll have these mounts on my website, www.rngperformance.net, and I'll have some steering wheel options. If you guys are interested in this here steering wheel right here, let me know, because I figured this one's so unique I probably won't carry it, but if I get enough feedback, I'll put a couple of them on the website and see if they go.
Yep.
And that, but yes, this is
along
awesome.
with some other goodies that you added to your site.
Oh, I did add a bunch of goodies.
You did. And I wanted to steal one, guys, but he wouldn't let me steal one.
You talking about the skull shifters?
Yeah, see, I wanted to steal it, but he wouldn't let me.
I actually made her order her own from my source.
Yeah, he did. He made me order it.
But that one looks nice.
It does. It looks nice. But my skull one, we'll give it some character.
Give it some character?
Yes.
Sweet.
Bandit needs a skull in here. Roxy was all, you know, skulled out.
We're going to put a skull in here. Jeez, chill out. I don't know what I'm going to do with that shifter now. I had to buy it from myself. Okay, well,
All right.
That's it.
That's it.
Check out the website. That was easy. That went faster than I thought.
I know.
I thought I was going to have to fight with that sucker.
No, that's really cool that you can do that.
Yeah. All right, guys.
All right.
Check out the website. We'll see you in the next one. This one was a lot quicker than I thought. Peace out. God bless.